first, we got to break into these June services PMI data that we've got from ISM coming in at 48.8 versus the 52.7 expected. So coming in below expectations here. I just want to run through some of these numbers because we are actually seeing Treasury surging following these ISM services number coming in again lower than anticipated. But running through these numbers, we've got factory orders for April actually revised down to 0.4%. That's according to the Commerce Department. New orders ex transportation falling 0.7% in May after rising 0.5% the prior months. We've also got capital goods, non-defense ex aircraft new orders for May falling 0.6% after rising in April. So seeing several reversals there in terms of numbers coming in. I do want to run through actually some of these ISM services numbers in particular. Business activity falling to 49.6 versus 61.2. New orders also a big drop off there, coming in at 47.3 versus 54.1. And then prices paid also falling to 56.3 versus 58.1. So seeing quite a few of these data points here, Bradley, falling off in terms of this broader print that we got from June U.S. ISM services and also May factory goods orders that I was running through there, also coming in below expectations.
Yeah, just taking a look at the market reaction. As of right now, we're still to the upside across many of the, in fact, all of the major averages here in the U.S. The Dow holding on to gains by the hair of its chinny chin chin, but just kind of to zero in a little bit more on that June services ISM report that you were running through some of the numbers so well on. Some context here. Economic activity in the services sector contracted in June. This is the second time in the last 3 months it's done that, says the purchasing and supply executives in this latest report on business. And then this to them also indicating sector contraction for the third time in 49 months here. Yeah. So that potentially something for people to really kind of take away top line from this report, as we're seeing markets remain pretty steady, holding on to gains as we mentioned here, but this some critical activity in terms of the contraction. And then just lastly here, the business activity index registering 49.6% in June, 11.6 percentage points lower than the 61.2% recorded in May, the first month of contraction since May 2020. So just wanted to highlight that real quick too.